Time to get down and dirty again. Just ate breakfast, feel better. Got my back lumbar support back on under my shirt. Get my weapons out and get going again on this floor. Okay, so just gonna put a little bit of cleaner, spray cleaner on here. That's gonna help activate this glue. I've already taken the top edge of this glue off with the scraper blades, okay? Now I can take my steel wire brush and hit it. You can kind of see it. I have a construction light on in the background so I can see what I'm doing. I don't like to reach out too far, so that's why I'm kind of up close with my knee pad. I don't have to reach out too far because I got to do this probably for the next 6 hours to get this floor done and the hallway done. That's my goal for today, and it's already lunchtime. I had a late breakfast. I got up late because I was scraping floors late. Okay, so that paint right there where the base was, I just kind of wipe over it. That's just going to give it a little bit of a color. Running this sideways to get in there. I don't want it too black. I don't want a nice long black strip all the way along the wall. I want to kind of blend it in. Trying to get the rest of these lines, lots of the lines off. Now some of the lines are going to show. Just depends how much time you want to take to wipe it off. Okay, like over here I see that there's a little bit extra that I could do. So since I'm here, I might want to hit this right in here just a little bit more. I could take off every single line on this floor, but that gives, some of those lines give you character. You know, but I don't want them so distinct that the whole entire floor has got lines on it. You know, the grooves from the glue. So I'm going to take some more of that off right in here. Once I get it right there, I'm going to let that sit on there a little bit with the cleaner. That's going to help break up a little bit more, I think, might help. So I don't have to wipe that off just yet. I want to continue over here. I want to go out to about here, so you know, I'm only concentrating on doing about this much. And I can go a little bit further along the wall, or I can come back this way and do this much more again. All I'm doing is concentrating on my entire project. I don't want to look at the entire project. It boggles my mind, you know. I just look what's right here in front of me, and that's all I've got on my mind right now is just to concentrate on this one little area. Break up your whole job into mini projects. This is one mini project. Mini, M-I-N-I, or one of many, M-A-N-Y. Looks like I might have to get up here a little bit more. I haven't wiped anything off yet, right? I'm going to let this set right on here while I work over this way. A little bit more. I'm just going to concentrate to about there. That's all. Move this up here closer to the wall. I don't have to reach out as far. If I start reaching too far out all day long, I'm going to mess up my back for sure. Or tweak it, or just make it more tired. It's easier to get straight down on it, but after a few times I will do this to kind of stretch my back. Just be like the Energizer Bunny. Just go and go and go. I'm putting down a little bit of force, but anybody can do this. It's not rocket science. Now going over the white paint where they painted the baseboard right down onto there. They did that before they installed the glue and the floor tiles initially. That way they didn't have to cut in the base at all to the floor. Okay. Visualize your project being complete. Visualize how good it's going to look as you're working. Keep that in your mind, and that's going to help you get through your project. Okay. The moment of truth is upon us. Taking my sponge and I'm going to wipe this off. Let the transformation begin. Wipe this there. Now I'm going to take a quick look at this. Man, that's looking good. I'm going to have to do a little bit more now. I'm going to clean off this off of the base. I've got plenty of cleaner here. Because I'm going to have to clean off the baseboard later if I don't do that now. That can dry and it's just going to go in there. And incidentally, see all this modeling look on here? If you like that, you could leave that. Just like that, you can let it dry. Exactly like that. That gives your floor more character. Okay? But I think we've decided on this floor to wipe it down. That gives you another look. Right?